Two California Plaza is a prominent skyscraper in downtown Los Angeles designed by Arthur Erickson and completed in 1992. The building stands at 750 feet, 229 meters, with 52 floors, making it one of the tallest in the city. Originally developed by B Metropolitan Structures West, it is now owned by Beacon Capital Partners. The skyscraper features a modern design with steel, concrete, and a sleek glass facade. It primarily serves as office space, housing various businesses, and includes amenities like an outdoor plaza and access to nearby cultural landmarks. Two California Plaza remains a significant part of Los Angeles' skyline and business district.